Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox one of my wishlist plant, Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. The plant was shipped from Florida to Delaware using one-day UPS service. Due to the high value of the plants, the seller shipped using an express service and it was packed with love and care. The seller used paper towel to cover the leaves and aluminum foil to protect the damp moss that is covering the roots. Also, the cartons was used to hold the leaves from moving inside the box. I had to grab terracotta pots to actually hold the wet moss of the plant. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Philodendron Spiritus Sancti. The plant is also known as Santa Leopoldina, and it is native to Espírito Santo, a state in Brazil where it is counted among the endangered species. This plant is more widely available in private collections than it is in its wild habitat. Spiritus Sancti has narrow pendant-shaped leaf, which length can reach up to 30 inches when the plant is mature. Spiritus Sancti thrives under bright and indirect lights. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plant unboxing videos. See you soon.